Well, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Antarctica. Today we are anchored in the middle of nowhere, I must say, covered in these beautiful snowy mountains of Antarctica here. Absolutely incredible. And today we ran across this satellite here that has been put up by the NASA. It looks like there's some activity going on up that hill there. As you can see, there's some markings that has been marked there. Looks like there's some heavy military activity going on there. God knows what it is. And today we are doing something called, we are participating in something called oh, and before that, today we have somebody flying alongside us today. That is the World Traveler cruise ship. It's an Argentinian cruise ship that basically just does only Antarctica, Argentina. And today we are performing a ritual which is very common in this part of the polar region of the world, which is called a polar plunge. This is an absolutely amazing adventure, which literally involves people jumping into the water. This is the only chance you really get to come in direct contact with the Antarctican waters. The sea temperature today is about 2 degrees Celsius. So basically what happened, there is an opening on the side of the ship there, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. There's an opening at the side of the ship, and then there is a zodiac attached to the boat. So they strap you on your waist, as you see, like that, and then you get a chance to dive, to jump inside the water. There's another boat there just on standby in case of an emergency with a doctor on board. You just dive into the waters, and then you make these, you get a certificate for doing this. So if you watch closely there now, ladies and gentlemen, you get to be strapped in by your waist, and then you have to jump into the water, and there is a ladder that will help you to come back up. So they're going to dive in 1, 2, and 3. That's what we call the ritual of polar plunging. Just one dive, and you have to come back up very fast because it is extremely cold. As you can see, the guys are freaking out there, freezing. It's absolutely cold down there, ladies and gentlemen. But as soon as you come out of that water, you get on back to the ship, and you'll be met there by a couple of several shots of vodka and Baileys just to warm you up because it is extremely cold. The sea temperatures today, as I said, and you can see it is snowing. The sea temperatures are about 2 degrees Celsius, and that ritual or that polar plunging is only for the brave. Absolutely, I'm not part of the brave. I'm not on the list because I would never do that, so God help me. Ladies and gentlemen, the waters of Antarctica at 1500 hours, the 2nd of January. Thank you.